Good morning everyone, my name is Kunal Kumar from BSIT third year batch 2. Today I am going to present on the topic of retrieving record from the top of a table. So let's see. Top keyword is used to retrieve only the first set of record from the top of a table. This set of record either can be number of record or percent of rows that will be returned from query result. So first question is come in our mind, why we use the top clause. So for limited result size, return only a specific number or percent of rows from our query and certain ranking and sampling. We are easily identify top performance latest entries or sample data for analysis and performance optimization. Reduce data transfer over the internet by 30 to 70 for large time and improve query response time. So this is the syntax of top clause. First we have right to select and top n. Here n means number of rows and percent as per our requirement, and bitwise then column name and table name. Bitwise, basically bitwise specify that result set includes all the additional rows that match the last rows returned by the top clause. It is used along with order by clause, and let's see it on SQL Server. Let me first show you total number of record. Here you can see total number of record 290, and we have here you can see only the top rows is selected. Here you can see total 29 rows, which is 10% of 290 rows, and then with ties. For this I have used another table. Here you can see 3 additional rows shows, which is ties with last row of this table. So that's all my side. Thank you everyone. If you, I would like to answer.
Okay, I'll be having a question from the batch. Who can explain better the ties used in this particular top? So he has used the ties. So what is the use of tie? Anyone?
So if we are using select top 10% from or select top 10 from any table, then it will show only that 10 records. But when we use with ties, then it will continue the last pattern till it ends. So that's all with ties.
That means this tie is showing the last record which you are getting as per the output of the query, matching to that record. If you have any more record in the table, so that will also include as a part of the result set, right? Okay, that's fine. So anyway, it's a good presentation from your side. So try to work hard, try to be little confident more in the next presentation whenever you are going to give. Okay, thank you.